Hi everyone, back again making another video. This time it is of our new wood burning stove that we purchased. This is the Nordica Rosa XL. Nordica is made in Italy and it is absolutely gorgeous. It is a wood burning appliance. So even though I said stove, but it is wood burning on, that's the firebox. And then on the other side is the oven, which is about the size of a small European oven. And we also have the cooking service. I purchased this from online from Grills and Ovens. And I love the stove and I loved the process of purchasing it from Grills and Ovens. So the stove has been fantastic. We use it to heat the house. We wake up, sit around the fire first thing in the morning, enjoy watching it and looking at the flames. We have, boiled water, made coffee and tea, made soups, baked cookies in the oven, did some fried rice, some different sort of frying things on top, and overall I just love the stove. I can't say enough about it. Grills and Ovens was super easy to deal with. It was about as easy as ordering something on Amazon. Basically just picked the make and model, paid for it by Visa, got lots of email communication as to the confirmation of the order and the shipping. Now, I had the choice, because of my location, to pick it up in person at the warehouse, which is what I did. But you could have it delivered directly to your door. The unit came all crated in a large wooden box. Took that all apart. There was a minimal amount of installation or assembly, but wasn't really a big deal. It is quite heavy. It did take about three or four guys to get it into the house. And the only other thing, so I'm up here in Ontario, Canada, and I did have some issues with the installation. And I'm bringing this up because you might get some conflicting information, and I want to be very clear about this. So because the stove is made in Italy, it is not CSA approved. But that's not an issue for an installer that knows the rules, and it also isn't an issue with the insurance company. So the installation has to be a wet installation, what they call WETT. You need to find a proper installer, and shout out to Brandon Masonry in Ancaster, Ontario. He did the install for me and was really easygoing and really, no, it's, not a problem. Here's the rules. You just got to do A, B, and C, which is what this steel box is that you see back here. Now, this steel box was bigger than what I actually had to provide for wet certification. I did it from an aesthetic point of view, and I still have to finish painting it and doing a few odd little things aesthetically to it. You don't necessarily have to do something as dramatic. And there was also no issues with my insurance company. Once they understood the stove was a cooking stove, understood that it was wet certified, installed, and we had the other, obviously, safety things necessary in the house, like smoke alarms, they didn't have any issues with using a non-CSA approved. So I highly recommend purchasing a wood stove. If you're looking for a wood stove, purchasing one from Grills and Oven. I recommend Brandon in Ancaster for the installation, because his guys were very meticulous and really nice job for me. And if you are, interested specifically in a wood cooking stove, I love this Nordica. It has been a real joy to use and heat the house with and to cook on. It's been a lot of fun. Thanks. Until next time.